These 40 LED rechargeable under-cabinet lights offer a versatile and convenient lighting solution for indoor use, featuring motion sensing technology. When set to motion sensor mode, the lights automatically turn on when motion is detected within 10 feet and turn off after 20 seconds of inactivity. With the ability to adjust brightness across 5 levels, these dimmable lights are perfect for tasks like meal prep or as gentle nightlights. They also feature an always-on mode for continuous lighting needs. The lights are rechargeable via a USB-C cable, providing up to 30 days of use in motion sensor mode on a single charge. Installation is easy with built-in magnets, making these lights ideal for kitchens, closets, stairs, and more. Users love the motion sensing feature, which makes these lights perfect for navigating dark spaces like stairs or closets without needing to search for a switch. The 5-level dimming option is another standout feature, offering flexibility for different lighting needs, from bright task lighting to soft nightlight settings. Customers also appreciate the USB-C rechargeable battery, eliminating the need for battery replacements and providing a long-lasting charge. The magnetic installation is another favorite feature, as it allows for easy placement and removal for recharging without any tools or professional help. While the 40 LED under-cabinet lights receive mostly positive feedback, some users noted that the 1,800 mAh battery might not last as long as expected in the always-on mode, especially at higher brightness settings. A few customers also mentioned that the motion sensor could be overly sensitive in certain areas, triggering the lights even when not needed. Additionally, the lack of a USB wall adapter in the package was a minor inconvenience for some, although this can be easily remedied by using an existing adapter. The 40 LED rechargeable under-cabinet lights are a great option for anyone seeking flexible, easy-to-install lighting with motion sensor capability. The dimmable settings, long-lasting rechargeable battery, and magnetic installation make them versatile for various uses in kitchens, closets, and more. Though the battery life may vary depending on use, and the absence of a USB wall adapter is a minor inconvenience, these lights offer a practical, wireless solution for illuminating dark areas of the home. If you found this review helpful and want to explore more, don't miss out. Check the product using the link in the description and see it for yourself.